Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My reviews today. In this video we will talk about pros and cons of Oppo Find X smartphone, along with explanation about customer doubts. So, without any further delay, let's begin. First of all, let's talk about pros. The screen-to-body ratio of this device is the major plus point, which company claims to be 93.8%. Screen is protected with Gorilla Glass 5. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor clocked at 2.8 GHz, which is the most powerful processor till date. Talking about camera, Oppo made great improvements in Find X. The device sports a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual rear camera with telephoto lens and 5x optical zoom. On the front side, Oppo Find X will have 25 megapixel camera with AI capabilities, portrait mode, etc. Face ID is available to secure the device. Oppo Find X will have USB Type-C port, so the transfer of files will be faster. Oppo Find X comes with 3700 mAh battery with fast changing support, 128 GB version fast battery charging VOOC flash charge 5V 4A, 256 GB version fast battery charging 100% in 35 min, Super VOOC flash charge 5V 10A, 50 watt. Now let's talk about cons. Oppo Find X does not have an expandable memory via card slot. It does not have 3.5mm jack. It does not have FM radio. It offers only 2 colors. It does not offer a temperature sensor or a barometer. It does not offer a water and dust resistant. No LED flash on front camera. No wireless charger. High pricing. No fingerprint scanner. If you can use this device with these cons, then you may go for it. Comment them if I missed any. Now let's talk about the customer doubt. The first and most asked was why this device doesn't offer IP rating at this high pricing. So, this is because of their main feature, sliding camera mechanism. When the camera is slided up, then the internals are prone to get damaged if they are dropped in water. Maybe Oppo will find a way out in its successor, but for now, because of the mechanism, you are not getting IP rating in this level of pricing. Talking about next doubt, which is about reliability of the camera sliding mechanism. Oppo has given a statement in which they explains about it. The mechanism is tested for 3 lakhs times. So if you slide the camera on average 150 times per day, then it will work fine till 5 years. Which is great. Next major question is about durability of the sliding mechanism, because none of us want a device at this price which will get damaged if we apply small pressure on it. The fact is clear that if you drop a device from a very high height, it will get damaged, but till your packet height it should last. If your device falls when the camera is in use, then it will automatically get in with the help of sensors in the device. If you just slightly press the camera part, then it will get in, so you don't see a chance of damage. If you press the top part of your device and open camera app, then it is not coming out. So, Oppo has done a lot of work to ensure that the motorized camera system won't be a down point. There is a major benefit of the motorized camera which most of the masses are unknown of. We all know that we are at major risk of getting spied via apps. So, we will get to know if any of the app is accessing our camera to spy us. And all credits for this goes to the motorized camera system. If you have any further doubt, then comment me below. And if you think I missed some points which I should have added in this video, then please let me know about it. So, this is all for today guys. Hope you liked this video, then like, subscribe, comment, share to support this channel. Till my next video, peace.